Hey look at all the work I've done on the 4-door in just one day. Oh yeah, all the mounts are in there, looking all pretty. Got all that shit getting ready to solder up for the B7 map sensor. Oh yeah. For you guys who don't know, B7. Yeah, torque down. Looking gravy. Looking gravy. Let's look under the car. I guess you can't see much, but them fucking mounts are in there. Yeah, and that one, yeah, and the pitch black.